My name's Madison and my sending school is Spalding High School, and I'm hoping after I graduate to join the plumbing field.
Hi, my name is Tucker Collins. My sending school is U32.
Hi, my name's Cole DeZan. My sending school is Harwood. I'm a junior, and next year I'll be enrolling in co-op.
Martin Ducharme. I'm a junior at Cabot. Next year I'll be enrolling in co-op.
I'm Alex Pouliot. My sending school is Spalding High School. I'm a senior. After graduation, I plan on going and working in the plumbing field.
I'm Mason, a senior from U32, and I plan on going into plumbing trade.
Hi, my name is Joshua Sains. I'm a senior, and I go to school. My sending school is Twinfield Community School.
I'm a junior at Spalding, and it's my second year in the plumbing and heating program at Central Vermont Career Center.
My name is Corey Potwin. I'm in 12th grade. My sending school is U32.
My name is Logan Goodman. I'm a senior at Denver.
My name is Jude Wilson, and I'm a junior at Spalding.
My name is Brett. I'm from Spalding High School, and I'm a junior.